We would normally get together with friends in the afternoon, do some sort of barbecue.
For Kyle Rhodes' family, July 4th also usually included the Tosa Parade and fireworks.
Not this year.
No, definitely not this year.
Instead, the Rhodes family is going to do what state health officials are recommending for everyone. Your message is stay home.
I think staying home is the safest thing.
Dr. Ryan Westergaard is urging people to stay home, and if they do go out, to limit contact, social distance, and wear masks because of a surge in coronavirus cases. And he worries things may get worse.
We are on track to have a worse epidemic in the coming weeks.
And the way people mark this holiday weekend, he says, could help determine the trend of the disease, good or bad.
Barbecue and just hang out with the fam.
Tyrus Bell plans to stay home, but thinks a lot of people probably won't.
Beaches would be super crowded, parks would be crowded.
The stay-at-home message is just a recommendation. Governor Evers has said that the courts won't allow the state to issue a stay-at-home order, and even if it could, Westergaard says he's not sure it would be any more effective.
It's really not the threat of punishment that makes people make healthy decisions. It's really a sense of empowerment and wanting to protect yourself and having that knowledge.
It's a message the Rhodes family will follow, replacing parades and fireworks with a holiday at home.
I think it's normal to miss those things, and we look forward to a time when things are safe and we can do it again.
Kent, how concerned is Dr. Westergaard about the number of cases continuing to rise?
Yeah, he says it's actually been a concern for several weeks that nearly half of all of the coronavirus cases in the state of Wisconsin have occurred since Memorial Day. But he says we could flatten that curve quickly if people would take the appropriate precautions. That's why he's urging people to limit their contact this holiday weekend or stay at home if at all possible.
Kent Wainscott reporting live in Wauwatosa tonight. Kent, thank you.